Hi everyone, this is Arad from English for Everyone, and today in this video I'm going to talk about indefinite pronouns. Indefinite pronouns. Indefinite pronouns are some pronouns that refer to someone, doesn't really refer to any specific person, thing or amount. Okay? We refer to someone but we do not exactly say who, or we do not say what. Okay? We refer to something or someone, a person or something, okay, but we do not exactly say what, we do not exactly say who, okay, it is a bit general. So in those cases we use indefinite pronouns. I've got a list of some of those indefinite pronouns over here. Something like something, anything, nothing, everything, no one, someone, everyone, no, everything, everybody, and all other things. You can see them over here, okay? So, we use these four when we talk about things. And we use these to talk about people, okay? So, somebody or someone, anybody or anyone, and the rest are used to talk about people without mentioning exactly who. So, it can be anybody, it can be the people of a city, the students of a class, without mentioning anyone specifically. Okay, so before moving to other areas, let me tell you something, that all of these, some, any, no, every, I mean something, somebody, someone, and the rest are one word, except no one. Okay, no one is two words. But the rest, they are all one word. Okay, so let's just put this somewhere in our mind, because we sometimes, I myself, sometimes want to check if everything is one word or two. So we use them to talk about people, things, without exactly mentioning who or what. Over here, I've got this example, everyone was excited. Okay. Something about this sentence is that I have these three examples over here to tell you something. That after everyone or everybody or everything, any of these indefinite pronouns, we use a singular verb. Okay? So I say she was excited. She was excited. But if I say they, then I say they were. So you see, everyone is like she, okay? It's like I am talking about one person, okay? So we always use singular verbs after these ones, okay? So if you have these as your subject, then use singular form of the verb. If it's present, add third person s, okay? So everyone was excited. Where is everybody? Not where are, okay? Where is everybody? Everything is ready. It's a bad spelling. There should not be any space over here, I just mentioned, but I have made a mistake over here. So, everything, which is one word, should be one word, is ready. Is my verb. Just like the other ones, is a singular verb, okay? So everything is ready, not are. Alright. But another thing, when we refer back to our indefinite pronoun, when we want to use another pronoun for this indefinite pronoun, I use the plural pronoun. What do I mean? I say, everyone was excited. They couldn't wait for the concert to start. I am talking about everyone. Everyone was. Okay, well I say they. Okay, so if I am talking about these people, again over here, I use they. So I can understand that this is more than one person, but I use singular verb. Okay, because when I want to refer back to these people, to this subject, I mention them as they. Where is everybody? Is. Where is everybody? I say they. Everybody? They. They have gone away. They have gone away. So, they are considered to be more than one. Okay? Everything, everybody, everyone. But we use singular verbs after them. So, singular verbs, plural pronouns. Okay? This is about indefinite pronouns. And when I talk about something that belongs to me, I easily say my. Okay? My hand, my watch. Okay? I use my, and that is the possessive adjective. Okay? When these guys have something, we can easily add apostrophe s to talk about what belongs to them. So I say somebody's, anything's, anybody's. I can just add apostrophe s and then talk about what they have. Okay? So somebody's house, anybody's pen. They stay in somebody's house. This is not clear who, but we say somebody's house. We don't know who these people are or has been, but we say they stayed in someone's house. In the sentence, house and the place they have stayed and other things are more important than the person, so we do not know or we do not mention those people's name. Over here, is this anybody's pen on the floor? I find one on the floor, a pen on the floor, and pick it up and say, is this or is this, without picking it up. Say, is this anyone's pen on the floor? Is this anyone's? I don't know who, so that's why, or anybody's. That's why I say anybody. I do not know, I can't mention anyone's name, but because pen belongs to an indefinite person, an unknown person, I use anyone's, apostrophe s, and then pen. Alright? And the other thing is that when we talk about nothing, nobody, no one, my sentence is considered negative. Okay? So I do not need anything like not to change the sentence to negative. No one knows. It means they don't know. Okay, but I do not use don't in my sentence. I say knows. Okay, singular verb. That's why it has s. It's like saying he knows, she knows. That is positive. Okay, well I say no one knows. Again, the same thing, but because my subject is no one, because no is in the sentence, then I do not need don't. Okay. So she knows, no one knows. She knows means she has the knowledge. No one knows means no one, nobody, they don't have that knowledge. So my sentence is negative without having not. Over here, nothing is needed means they do not need anything. But I do not have not in my sentence. Instead, I have a no over here. So you can't say no one doesn't know. That's double negative, and that is not allowed. Nothing is not needed. No, I can't say that. Okay. So no, nothing, no one, and nobody. Okay. These do not need not to change to negative. All right. I hope these has been helpful. Has helped you a bit in some areas, and if you have any questions, let me know by commenting it below this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye!